RBC slab, reinforced brick concrete slab, is a type of roofing slab in which bricks are used in combination with reinforcement and concrete to form a structural slab. This method is cost-effective, especially in regions where bricks are readily available, as it reduces the amount of concrete required compared to a conventional RCC, reinforced cement concrete slab. Construction process of RBC slab. 1. Preparation of shuttering. Shuttering is erected to provide temporary support to the slab during construction. A formwork of appropriate dimensions is prepared with wooden planks or steel sheets. 2. Reinforcement placement. Reinforcement bars, usually steel, are placed at specific intervals as per the design. These bars are laid in both longitudinal and transverse directions to form a grid. Proper spacing and alignment are ensured using chairs and spacers. 3. Laying of bricks. Bricks are placed between the reinforcement bars, leaving gaps where reinforcement passes. These bricks act as a filler material and reduce the quantity of concrete required. 4. Concrete pouring. A concrete mix, usually of M15 or M20 grade, is prepared and poured over the laid bricks and reinforcement. The concrete is evenly spread and compacted to avoid air pockets. 5. Curing. The slab is kept moist for 7 to 14 days to allow proper curing of the concrete, ensuring strength development. 6. Finishing. Once the concrete sets, the shuttering is removed, and the slab surface is finished as required. RBC slab, reinforced brick concrete slab, is a type of roofing slab in which bricks are used in combination with